Take the card, Polly. That's it. Take the card. Just, there you go. Take the card. No, come on, just hold the card. Take the card and hold the card. Hold the card, Polly. See it?
Easy.
That's not helping us a bit. This is just a 10-second promo. What's the big deal? Yeah, card. Take, hold. No. Here. The card. Hold. Mouth. What's the problem? Here, look at.
Here he goes. Yeah, he's gonna take it now. Good. He just wants to do it himself. Look.
That's it. Yeah, see, oh, you got the wrong way. Let me get this bird. Take it. He's got it. That's it. How about you put it on his neck? How about if I put my hands around his neck and wring it and I'm setting the bird? You know, if I had charcoal, I would fry this bird, we'd have him for dinner and go home with it. Take it! Now hold the card.
I see that.
Put it on the tree, we get the card and the bird on the tree. That's it, that's all we need.
Good, we'll do it.
It's not gonna go. Look, see?
One more time. Let's just, he'll do it.
That's it.
Good idea. He'll leave it alone.
Just on the tree with the bird. We're paying this bird. Look at see, on the tree. Take it up. All we need is the bird and the sign. That's all we need.
Okay, now, that's good, that's good.
I can't read it. It's going to be straight with the bird. It's not good.
Oh, wait a minute. Look at this. He's going to take it around. No.